Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to automatically find and highlight missing data in your Google Sheets using AppScript. So instead of manually searching for empty cells and incomplete information, Google Sheets will do it for you with one click. This is perfect for data validation, forms, reports, or any data that you need to complete. Okay, let's see. Here I've got a simple dataset, and like most real-world data, some entries are missing. Some rows don't have an email, some don't have a product, and some are missing multiple fields. We want these empty cells to stand out automatically without manually scanning through the sheet. To automate this, we're going to write a short AppScript. So, go to the top menu, click Extensions, then AppScript. This opens a new script file where we write the function that checks for missing data and highlights it. Now I'll write the code, then explain it to you. Here is the script we'll be using. It's simple but really powerful. So let me walk you through how this script works. When you run the function, the first thing it does is connect to your spreadsheet and grab the sheet we want to check. In my case, it calls data, but you can replace that with your own tab name. Next, the script selects the entire data range and stores two versions of it, one for the actual values and one for the background colors. We work with backgrounds separately so we can highlight only the cells we want to change. Then comes the main part, two loops. The outer loops goes through each row, starting from row 2 because row 1 usually contains the headers. The inner loop goes through each column of that row. Inside those loops, the script checks each individual cell. If the cell is empty, then we mark the background color as light red. This instantly makes missing data stand out visually. If the cell is filled, we reset its background back to white to keep things clean. And finally, once all the checks are complete, the script writes the update background colors back to the sheet. So with one click, your entire dataset is scanned and all missing entries are highlighted for you automatically. Now let's test it. I click on Save and then Run at the top. You may need to authorize the script the first time you use it. Once it's run, all the missing fields instantly turn red. To make this even easier, let's turn it into a button inside your spreadsheet. Go to Insert, Drawing. Create a simple text button saying Missing Data. Click Save and Close. Right-click the button, assign a script, and paste the function name here. And that's it. You now have a custom button that automates your entries cleanup process. Let's test it. And if you want this check to happen automatically every time data changes, you can add a trigger. Just go to the trigger on the left side, create a new one, choose this function, and set it to run on a schedule or on form submit. From that moment on, your sheet will clean itself. Alright, now you have a smart Google Sheets that automatically find and highlight missing data using just a few lines of AppScript. If you need the code and the sheet, you can find it in the description and also in our website. Please like this tutorial and subscribe to the channel. And if you need any kind of Google Sheets automation, let us know in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. Have a good time.